All right.
Yo, what up, guys? Hello, hello.
What's up? We're back. It's Friday already. Crazy how fast this week's go.
Wait, is it just me, or you actually might not be audible? I'm not even joking.
Am I not audible?
Oh, you are now. Before you wasn't.
You actually might not be audible.
Right, before you was not.
It's not funny, bro.
You guys are not gonna believe the YouTube video I'm making. Can you guess the YouTube video I'm making? It's something. No. All right, so basically what I'm doing is... All right, so what I'm doing is I'm teaching someone who knows nothing about trading, how to like start trading and get a payout and everything.
How to start trading and reach a payout?
Yeah, in 7 days. So my goal is to try to teach him everything about trading, my approach and whatever, and try and get him to a payout in 7 days and try and prove that it's not luck.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it might take it'll probably take over like a month to make, but I think it'll be pretty good. And then we can just pick someone from the stream as well to do it with.
Okay. I'm listening.
That'll be pretty crazy. But yeah, looking at NQ daily chart, guys, we've already been... Well, we're just inside of a consolidation. Where did the new year start? We started right here. 2nd of Jan, yearly high, yearly low, and then the open of this candle. So these 3 lines, realistically, you can see the market's just stayed within. So it really hasn't been in a hurry to do anything, like move higher or move lower. So looking at this, we do have options expiry. Usually I'm just looking for a sell-off, but let's zoom in. Look at this price action. This looks horrible. So many wicks. Yesterday I was bearish. Look at this. 9:30. Finally, we moved 5 hours later, some of the worst price action.
Those look horrible.
Yeah, today I'm hoping for maybe just one more run above here. Then we can push it lower. So many SMTs that we have. One suggestion for futures traders that close. Yeah, I mean, if you want a higher win rate, so your win rate you want higher, you need to sacrifice this for a lower risk to reward. If you want a higher risk to reward, so like a 1 to 5 or whatever, then you're going to have a lower win rate. Because you're never going to have both, so you have to pick one or the other. So it all comes down to your trading style as well. At the end of that,
Hold
have you
on.
been playing ARC?
Nah, not that much.
You quit?
Nah.
So
Well, not
so
that.
install your loot.
No, bro, I got too much loot. To be fair. I
You did
cannot
the
even
harvest.
play a game because it's got so much.
You don't want to lose it.
Nah, I don't care about looting. Other than in my trading. No, I'm kidding.
No, I think you might care more about your loot in ARC, to be honest. You might
What?
care about the loot in ARC.
Nah. Don't be ridiculous. We haven't played in a while, though. You're leaving me alone. Oh. Is there anything on the chart, or does it still look as horrible? Okay, it still does look as horrible.
What,
To be
NQ
fair.
shot?
Yeah, it's terrible. Looks terrible, you guys. Has anyone been locking in? Get some payouts?
Been killing it on the charts. Holy, okay, yes. I say we just sell the house, sell everything we have on NQ shorts. Would be great. Where's the open on today? Yeah, ever since Thursday, we've all just rallied up. I don't believe this is the low.
Nah.
I want to see a reverse this whole thing. If we move, I think the most easiest target to running these highs, though. Like up here, and then we can begin to sell off. Something like that.
Oh,
Ooh.
consolidation. Do we have news this week?
We had CPI, right?
We had
was it
CPI
this week or
last
last?
week.
Okay.
Oh, this week. Oh, yeah. We don't have any more news. I would suggest, I would think that next week we also don't have. Okay, we have a bank holiday on Monday, so we have a long weekend. And we got Trump speaking on Wednesday. And we got another CPI next week.
What is the holiday?
Or PCA index, huh?
What is the holiday on Monday?
Martin Luther King Day.
Oh, okay.
And then on Friday, we got another PMI. So next week, I would say it's kind of risky to trade on the day that Trump's going to speak.
Hopefully he moves this market. Look at this. Even today, all we did was chop around.
Yeah, my target this morning did get hit on M and Q, but not on NQ, and I was trading NQ. So, did you guys see what happened to that criminal investigation on Jerome Powell? That's crazy.
Yeah, they're basically just forcing him.
Yeah, so Trump wants him to cut rates, but since he is looking at the overall GDP, not cutting the rate, and still the market's moving.
You literally just went unaudible.
Really? No, I didn't.
Yeah. Yeah, he's unaudible. I'm not even joking.
Am I unaudible? Did you take
Yeah, I'm not. No joke.
Okay, so you cannot hear me now?
I can hear you now. Before I couldn't. Like, you went a bit.
So, realistically, if the rates get cut, the market should rally. But it pisses Trump off that the market is not rallying.
Yeah, but also it doesn't make sense for rates to get cut at this point. I still think this market has to go lower, even if it wants to go higher. And to start the year, it's just not... Like, it's ridiculous how high these indices are. US is at 7K. Yeah, like, year-round, they're always going to be bullish. But to be this bullish, like, bro, look at silver. It's at 100. And I don't know. If you really look at the world of what's going on in terms of what Trump wants to do with Greenland as well.
It's so fun that you see a lot of people coming back every single day we stream. What do you guys think of Project X not being available for prop firms anymore?
So happy. That was probably the best thing that ever happened.
Well, I'm happy too, but I think the market has to get used to offering no Project X anymore. So only what we got, deep charts and deep DOM.
The thing is,
trade away.
Yeah, the thing is with Project X, it's so user friendly for new traders. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Like, there's so many new traders coming into futures. Most of them really can't trade on TradeAway. TradeAway, it's impossible for a new trader to trade on unless you have experience with futures, because that's just a dinosaur, that app.
Yeah.
So that either there's going to be a platform similar to Project X, which I don't know if there will be, or most people just adapt to like copy trading third party and going on to TradingView.
Australia is a bomb.
It is pretty good, to be fair. Dude, yesterday's chop, I don't know if you guys traded that. Oh, actually, on Wednesday's stream as well, we were bearish, right? quite clearly bearish on this market, looking for the downside. But I was looking for a bullish setup, right? So I don't know if you guys were on that stream. This was the bullish setup. I was only looking for 50 points. 10 a.m. candle, we looked at what we spoke about, that OB. This candle, body and wick, once we close above, we buy that next candle. 50 points was offered there, and I was in and out. So this is where you can be wrong about your bias per se and still make money. So I did, got out in. But today, hopefully we can get shorts. What keyboard do you have?
Oh, sorry. I got a
Bro got a gaming keyboard.
No, it's just, you know, like this whole experience that you type a key and then it makes like
Oh,
I think that's also like part of, you know, for the stream. I got this one. What is
oh,
it?
he got the
It's
full. He's got the gaming one.
Steel Series, bro. It's so nice. I also like that these keyboards are very heavy, you know.
You should get a high ground keyboard. They're pretty sick.
What's that?
Look at high ground keyboards. They're pretty cool.
Do you hear it when I'm typing?
Yeah.
Then you should probably help me out how I can cancel that out because it's very annoying.
Buy the Apple keyboard. To be honest, I'm more of an Apple advocate. Whatever they do, I believe.
Me too, but you know.
I believe
satisfying
Apple
click.
just
Yeah,
do it
that's
the
what I
best.
mean. It's just satisfying click. That's what it is. Like the old school typing machine, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true.
High ground
Get a
keyboard.
mechanical. Bro, those high ground keyboards are the best.
What is that?
Let me show you.
Only keycaps? Or is it just one type?
It's HIG, then ground.
Yeah.
They have a 50% sale on. You can get like, you can customize how they sound too. It's pretty cool.
Ah. Oh yeah, those look nice. Looks basic, but that looks nice off. Right. But it doesn't have any
Yeah.
keycaps. Oh, it does, but on the side.
Yeah. But you can get it on
Right.
the front as well. You can just customize it all.
Damn, it's 620 dirhams. That's $200.
Yeah, but still, it's worth it. It's either you buy once and you buy something really good, or you buy again and again and again and again.
Yeah. You want to know something about this keyboard? So sometimes when my wife is sleeping in and I'm typing, then she can hear that in the bedroom.
Bro, I can hear that from here. Like, you're in Dubai and I can hear you typing from the UK. That loud.
Yeah, it's true. There's nothing wrong with that.
Bias today. Honestly, I like shorts. I think if we run the high to go lower. If we just run to the highs, then I guess I'm wrong. I don't know if you guys were with me on the stream on Wednesday, right? We were obviously bearish to the lows at like 25.635. We got them here, but my model told me I could only buy, right? So we spoke about the OB. This was the OB, right? First candle closing above the wick and the body. Should be able to expand and then push up for 50 points. Honestly, someone mentioned before, like a 1-to-1 and a 1-to-1.5 is really good for indices. That's also great, and also 50 points, you know. They're easy to aim for, and you can just be.
Oh, that's quite a surprise of a run right there.
Yeah,
that's the high I want it to go short.
No, I think it pokes a bit, like 25,872. Trying to get the real-time CME data for.
Well,
I was reading that question. If you're on TradingView, then you can buy the whole plan. I think it's like monthly for $7. You're right,
yeah.
but I don't know if it's $14 might be for like everything. The whole US stock market.
You just need CME. CME is where ES and NQ is. Some people also use they try to buy Nasdaq stocks, but that's not what you need. That's the wrong one.
Yeah, that's way better. Very zen music today.
Bro, I gotta be honest with you. I literally just woke up from a nap. We're so cooked.
The life of the unemployed.
We're so cooked.
Isn't it like 6 p.m. for you right now?
Yeah, 6:21. You know what's crazy? If you look at India, you know that usually times between countries are different, but then with the hour.
Yeah.
So a whole hour. The difference with India is like 1.5 hours, I think.
Oh, really?
That must suck. Yeah,
trying to see the timing would be pretty difficult.
Yeah.
It's probably the same case in Australia or something as well, or New Zealand.
So time difference, yeah, 1.5 hours ahead.
Gold and silver. But yeah, those silver longs played out yesterday. Was waiting for these highs. I'm looking for shorts on NQ. I think we do trade up to this high first, though. 25,872. Either if you wanted to take a long into the open, target the high, you can. But I'm kind of feeling like a bear.
Damn, I would have wanted that 3 minute for I got to stay. But I didn't.
No, I think it'll poke. I think it'll poke a bit higher.
Rauf, are you in hibernation right now?
Yeah, I'm always going to be a bear. If that's what you mean. Or if you mean about my haircut, then I'm just growing it from the sides.
Rishi, the 2 red lines to the highs, they are SMTs, I think.
Yeah, these are an SMT with the S. Bearish SMT. And we have an SMT at the lows as well. So I'm pretty lazy. I don't always want to flick through the market, so I just have this indicator that plots them. Because you're a bear. But when you think about it, logically, these markets shouldn't be up here. I think they should be a lot lower.
Very true. Whoa, okay.
We have 5 minutes. I'm hoping it doesn't run these lows without me.
Nah. I mean, I think it wouldn't, but
If we get these lows, then I mean, I would like all of these lows. Everything.
that was one huge candle, which I would say it's a rejection. But
Yeah, well, when you look at this market as well, every time it spikes higher, it spikes back down. So I wouldn't be surprised if this was another one of his spikes lowers to just run higher.
yeah, took out some liquidity there, so you know.
It's quite the price action we're having. GM. Good morning, PRB gamers.
GM, game master. Okay, that was not funny.
What did you just say?
GM means game master as well, no? Or did you say? Did you think something else?
Bro is trying to get his stream taken down. No, I don't think you need a paid plan. You can just buy the CME data. I'm really not sure actually. I do have the TradingView paid plan though.
I do too, because otherwise your chart is also delayed.
Yes. No, it's delayed because you don't have the CME data, but I don't know if you need TradingView.
Yeah, but if you have free plan on TradingView, then the chart only moves once every 3 seconds or something.
Oh, okay, yeah, then also
what? But oh, wow,
that was a 28 candle.
Do you see what I mean now? Do you see what I mean now with a doom candle? Like,
yeah,
seriously, that is a doom candle. We should clip every single time that I said doom candle, and then just show this one. 928.
Crazy one.
Yeah.
Takes out the highs that we should look for the Chanels. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. See what the open does in like 2 minutes, but I'm bearish to these lows. Can one like double top or double bottom? Yeah, you can like and trade whatever you like. Me personally, I don't trade like that, but it's still pretty interesting way. The ES looks so weak today. Thank you. Looks like the strongest.
Yeah.
Of the pair.
So we got another SMT then, no?
Yeah, the highs and the lows. How was your day today? I missed the shorts on NQ or down to here. Been a pretty boring week. And then yesterday I missed the shorts. I had a sell limit just above. I was bearish. And yeah, I just chopped around the whole morning and then finally sold off. There's not much I could do. And then Wednesday, the stream with you guys, we were bearish, but I spoke about it. I'm only looking for a buying setup. So this is the buying setup I got. You remember the OB we spoke about? Closing
no
above.
way.
What happened? Oh, thank
This
you.
happened.
No, I think it's gonna be pretty ugly today if the open doesn't move it.
I think so, yeah.
Let's see. We have this huge gap. I mean, I would still be bearish to the lows of this gap. Would want to see a fill of that. We have yesterday's gap still left open, and we have today's gap as both potential areas. Buying Q.
I mean, we got a huge RTH gap.
Yeah, I wanted to see.
Absolutely huge.
Even yesterday's one still open. Buy the M5 gap. Nice. Just full port it.
What?
He said full port the M5 gap. And then we get full port shorts off
Yeah,
these highs.
probably.
Tell me your X name. It's on my display. DayTradingRauf. All right, let's see this candle. Honestly, I would like us to just dump off now.
Yeah.
With these
Looks
lows.
good.
ES looks, as long as ES stays weak. So let's see how this candle closes. And get out and take all of these lows. Do we own one together? Or does
What?
he mean like do we own one?
I do.
Oh, buy ourselves, yeah, we do. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can get a tank off. Thank you. I think ES would need to become pretty bearish at this point and push NQ low with it. Can I make your day? Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully if NQ sells off then, they'll make all of our days. This candle, we just want to see it burn through, I guess, at this point. As long as this SMT is holding PS. Nothing else looks that good today. When I'm looking at these indexes, we have...
Looks pretty spiky, to be fair.
Yeah, we have a minute to the close of this 5 minute. Realistically, we just want to see it stay bearish. And not close above the highs at like 25, 873 in the next 5 minutes. Then I'll be interested in this market. Look at that Dow Jones wick. Heck. If anything, I think Dow will run these lows.
I have more trust in Dow at this point than at NQ.
Yeah, I think Dow will be the one that runs these lows. NQ might play around before it wants to move. This candle, I want to see it basically sell off now. That's the only thing I'm waiting for. So I don't want to see a close above this high. And then we are good. I'm hoping they don't just chop it around for the whole open though. I think NQ is going down. I hope so. My targets are like 25, 800s.
I would say we sell out from here. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
we
just
have
don't
to
have
stay
a
below
clear
this.
entry model for me. So
As long as we stay below this, we'll close here. So this, look at Dow. Look at Dow.
that was how we want it to move.
That was how we should have moved. And now we have the craziest of SMTs with ES. This is also 50% of the wick right here. Main wick that we need to stay below. Voila. How you doing? Hopefully you can bring some luck to moving this market. All right, this wick, we need to remain below it. And then zoom on. Oh, no way, Dow got it. Look. Look at Dow, Finn.
I'm not surprised.
Sell off,
I'm
thank
not
you.
surprised at all. Shoot it. Shoot it through the bottom. But now you got the craziest of SMTs on the bottom too.
Bro, these wicks are horrible.
Yeah. Isn't there any news today?
No, there's nothing today. Let me check. It is going to move though. It's going to move.
OPEX is going to be tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm hoping we just die for options expiry. Yeah, like this, what happened on Dow, that's what we wanted at NQ, right? But as long as NQ stays with the bodies below this up close, then we're still bearish to the low. And we're just wanting to push lower. But if ES runs the low, then we're just done with this price action.
Yeah.
But look at this, bro. It's just up and
That's
down.
terrible price action. That's terrible.
Even yesterday, I mean, he was bad as this.
No. But now it's just not moving anywhere, you know? So there's actually like nothing for us to talk about right now.
And even if we get above this, then we're like, what are we looking at that point, you know?
Yeah.
And that's a barcode. I agree. Right, look at it. It's just horrible.
It is a barcode, yeah.
Do you know what Morrison's is?
What?
I don't think there's a Morrison. I don't think there's a Morrison's in Dubai. It's like a grocery store.
No, there's not.
Doing good as
We got
always. I entered Dow.
Grandiose. We got Nesto.
Oh, this up close is doing the damage. It's holding up 50%. Please, just tank it. Bro, these lows just look way too good.
Yeah.
Either we
Got a
just
lot of-
drop off with one single candle, because we're still holding that up close, especially the 50%. The time we'll lose all hope is when push up, but we should just be able to tank below that. Barcode, yeah.
Look at the 30-second. Oh, even the 1 minute actually.
I'm on the 1 minute.
Or if you look at the 2 minute, that's just wicks right there.
That's insane.
It's
5
been a
minutes
while
holding
since I've
it
seen
up.
anything like that.
I think in
Yeah, the
one
5
single
minute is
candle we
going
should
up.
be able to drop. Yeah, come on.
We might
Come on,
even drop
guys.
further than the...
Yeah, if we get this low, then just push it way below everything. Just send it to 0.
That's what I think.
I can only just shake my head at this price action, guys. The 2 minute must be... That's insane.
That's unlike anything I've ever seen.
There we go. Come on.
Come on, send it. Can someone just call JP Morgan?
Someone just entered like 15 minis. Realistically, this next few candles need to just die. ES is dropping. Oh, Dow. Dow's the one that really effed
Wow.
everything up.
Yeah.
How
I
low?
think-
How far?
I still think we can send this lower.
Yeah, we're only 40 points away from the low.
Yeah.
The M5 gap has 2 minutes to the close. I'm hoping in the next 2 minutes we can really start dropping. If you're patient enough, you can find that one and done trade. That is true.
Well, at this point,
We just
this
need to
looks
get
like
rid of all
one
of
and done
these.
with life.
SMTs with a yes. Did you just say you were one and done with life?
No, I said at this price action, it's just one and done with life. No, we do not support Project X platform to trade. The purchases for Project X have been disabled, and from the 15th of February, everyone will be transferred to a other platform. Might be Deep Charts or Trade08.
Yeah, I'm in from here. 25,874. I really need to connect my Trade08 here. Is there a way we can add Trade08 here?
Yeah, you can log in now.
No, I mean like for the stream.
Oh yeah.
So we can
Wait.
see like on the chart too.
Oh, you mean on your other screen or the other side of the screen?
Yeah. So I can maybe we need to make a new overlay. But yeah, my target's here 25,800. That's where I got that.
I'm in from 25,872.
What it's looking like. I'm looking at 820 though, just to close below. My stop was
Nice.
just above.
Yeah, same. 25,885.
I need to go into Trade08 and move it down. Also, it would be pretty good to have it up so you guys can see how to go on Trade08.
If your funded account is on Project X, you can keep trading on that funded account until the 15th of February, and then we'll transfer you over to a different platform. But unfortunately, we cannot keep supporting Project X as our trading platform. It's
I
not
took a
our
buy.
so took a
I
buy.
mean, when you join the streams, I only give one bias, so either I'm wrong in the bias or I just execute on the plan. Look for the highs, bearish, up close candle 50%. It's my entry. Let's see if we can get the lows. Yeah, that up close, but I didn't enter right on it. I entered the next candle that dropped off. So I can move to like roll to break even now. If it comes back.
I'm already at break even, yeah.
What's my TP? Only to the low of this range. I can TP here because it's at 820. So like you can reverse the market from this level. But I'll still hold it. Honestly, I still think we have deeper to run lower, but some of the worst price action I've seen. What was the RR? I think it was a 1 to 5 or 1 to 4.
I mean, Papa Blues, it's unfortunately not our choice since Project X stopped servicing prop firms because they only want to use it for their main prop firm. So unfortunately, it's not our choice. Yeah. But there's there's amazing platforms out there, to be fair. Project X wasn't my preference personally. My personal preference was always Tradeovate. Because I think it's quicker, you know. It does show Tradeovate broker actually in TradingView.
If you go to your trading panel here, I have Ninja and Tradeovate, but Tradeovate's this one. But yeah, I do agree. If you're a beginner to futures, like obviously Project X would have been the best go-to. I'm trying to figure out if we can add an overlay so you guys can see how I execute on Tradeovate, so you can see what kind of trade. Because I think it will benefit a lot of you. Unfortunately, we don't have. Why does this number keep calling me? You're in NQ longs to previous daily high. Oh, nice. I've been in NQ shorts from 25,869. My target is this low, 25,800. ES looks like a mess though.
Oh yeah.
I just needed to get below 820. I don't know. My first one was we take out those highs, what we wanted at the start. M5, this Wix 50% holds up. And then M1, we have the OB. My entry model. Friday short. In and out. Nice and easy. All right, guys, nearly at TP now. Hopefully we can run the final lows I have. I have me a buy. To be honest, I'm not bullish today, sorry.
I think we can set lower than the range, but I'm not gonna.
Like, honestly, I think we can go even lower. I'm just gonna be out here. If you have a buy position, fit your model, you know. Who am I to say it's right or wrong? This is the first OB because it took the liquidity above here. What we went over last stream, if it takes liquidity, 50% has to be sensitive. And then we also have a wick right here. What's my goal? My goal is to do 1 million in payouts. I'm going to go for that and really try and scale to it. But the thing is, if you're trying to go for 1 mil, you really have to position in hard. And obviously, positioning in is a different ball game.
What is your goal for 26?
Positioning, I think. Positioning in harder.
And payouts and scaling. I have a goal. I want 1 million in payouts this year, only.
Yeah.
Yeah, he says. Yeah.
You can do it.
I hope so. How much do you risk per trade? No, that depends. On 50K accounts that are new, there's 200 per trade. On other accounts that are higher balance, I basically risk 5.
All right, nearly at the low. We'll be squaring this up. I really think ES can push a lot lower.
Yeah. When an SMT, when we get rid of an SMT, we might actually run even lower.
Almost there.
Oh, my 50K is 200 risk per trade if it's a new account. But later, if I have a little bit more balance and I got a buffer.
All right, nice guys. I just got filled out of those shorts. Thank you. Got my TP.
Yep. All out there. That was a clean trade, actually. Well, not. Price action during wasn't that clean.
Dude, that shit was not clean. I mean, it was clean, like finally getting to the target, but. So yeah, if you guys were in the start of the stream, you know, I only give one of my biases. Either I'm bullish or I'm bearish. Either I'll be wrong or either I'll be right, and I just follow my model. How much did I make?
$100 million, approximately. No.
I made 2K.
Let's go.
Oh,
Yeah, W's in chat. W's in chat.
I think we go even lower, guys. If you're in shorts,
Yeah.
as we mentioned, maybe to here. W's.
Oh, that was my chair right there. Did you hear it?
What happened to it?
Do you not? You hear the background sounds quite noisy, you know?
Yeah. Oh, we finished just in time as well.
What?
We're finished just in time before 10.
Wow, actually.
Yo, let's just send it even lower, guys.
Let's all just collectively sell from here. No, I'm kidding. Yep. Hit. The low I want it later got hit now.
All right, final targets we could get down to here. But holy. What a sell-off. What's the word?
W's. No, that's a word.
W's, yeah, W's go everywhere. Sorry, I was replying to a few of these guys. Let's send it even lower. Even more. All right. Hopefully you guys did enjoy that. If you're there from the start, you know we spoke about that sell-off. Wanted it to go lower. Only bearish today and played out very nicely. So today's word is W, because obviously we did pretty well today. And I'll try and figure out how we can have trader base sell. All right. You want to pick first one, Finn?
Yes. W. PRB Gamers.
All right, I got future 0_88. All right, those are the two winners for today. I mean, if you didn't win, we'll be back with a stream on Monday. Hopefully, I know there's something good we can get out of it. The main things for sure, hopefully you guys are learning from this, how I'm building my bias, everything like that. And then we can take it from there. So enjoy the rest of your day. If you are in the short, nice. I think we go even lower, you know, to like 25,677. Well, let's enjoy your weekends, and hopefully you caught a piece of that. If not, then we will be back again Monday. By the way, I captured this short 100 ticks. Let's go. Well done. Well done, guys. And if you took it with my model,
crazy short. It's still going.
Yeah. All right. Take it easy, guys, and enjoy your weekend.
Enjoy your weekend, guys.